Welcome to the Alex Auto YouTube channel. I'm Alex Ofosu. I help people make money with cheap cars. Today, we're in Atlanta. We're at the Pushman Mitch Atlanta Mastermind. I want y'all to see something. I want y'all to see this Lambo right here. All right, you see this Lambo right here? This Lambo right here was bought with cheap cars. Okay, so that's my guy Pushman Mitch in the Lambo. All right, he bought his exotic cars with cheap cars, and I try to tell you guys all the time, cheap cars are the way to go. If you want to get the Lambos, you want to get the Ferraris, you want to get the McLarens, right? You use the economy cars. The economy cars are consistent. They print cash every single week. Okay, so I'm gonna do more of a vlog style type of video today, so that you guys will get to see some of the people, some of the mentees, right? Some of the other car rental entrepreneurs around the country that are killing it. All right, so we're in Chamblee, Atlanta. As you can see here, people are starting to pull up, right? As you can see here, Pushman Mitch. Say what's up, Mitch. So, yeah, guys, you guys are gonna see all the insides of this Atlanta mastermind. So stick with me, all right? Stay in the game. Watch till the end. I'm gonna do some interviews. Yo, say what's up, Rush?
Hey man, we live? What's this, YouTube?
Yeah, it's YouTube. We're not live though. We're not live.
Okay. What's going on YouTube? Hey, make sure you follow me at Russ Unlock. If you're at the Mastermind, just mastering online. That's it.
Of course. Yes, sir. It's the guy.
On the camera?
Yeah, you're in the camera, man.
We here at ATL. Y'all know what the vibe is. If we're not here, you're slipping. Right now, we're around millionaires, multi-millionaires, even future billionaires in the room. And why is that important? Dude, y'all see my skin color. You see where we come from. You know, you hear the way I talk, right? But we all got to go get it. We all got to go after it. That's the difference right now. Yo, it's 2026. This has been the easiest time for any of us to go get it. Any time for any of us to go get it. If you got a question that's been on your mind, oh, I want to go do this, ChatGPT, YouTube, whatever the case is, go get with somebody. Either get with somebody that's where you at, or where you're trying to go, or where you're coming from.
Talk to him. Yes, sir.
What are you trying to do on Go Helen? We've checked some of the replays. We've posted some of the replays in there that should kind of take care of anything that your VA would kind of do for you. But yeah, so like if there's a gap.
Vontae with a G-Wagon.
You already know, bro. You know how we get down, baby. Man, come park, get with the team, baby. Let's do it.
Look at the thing. We got Lambo Phil. What's good, Lambo Phil? Chee! That joint clean. What's up? Hey, I'm with my guys out here. My guy Kevin. Dre. All right. So let me ask y'all something. How much money you guys are making with this Ford Fusion right here?
With this Ford Fusion alone, I actually need to get this one out, y'all. But this Ford Fusion should generate around $400 a week.
You said $400 a week?
$400.
What's that a month?
$1,600.
$1,600
a month, and if you take in account for the oil change and some regular maintenance you want to think of, it'll probably be maybe $200 a month.
Okay.
So about $1,400 probably.
He doing $1,400 profit
Off of one car.
off of one economy car.
This car costs $4,800.
Bro, you're lying to me, bro. Don't lie to me, bro.
This car specifically costs $4,800. I bought There was another Ford Fusion I bought, I think for 5,200, and then the most I spent on a Fusion was like maybe 64, 67 with tax.
So you're telling me you bought a Ford Fusion, this one specifically for 4,800. You're making $1,600 a month, $1,400 a month after your expenses. Bro, I think you're lying to me. Because when I tell people, they think I'm bullshitting. Bro, I think you're lying to me.
No, man, I'm not lying. I can. Let's see.
No. You good. Look. Oh, he's gonna show it. He's gonna show us. All right. So he's gonna show us. So show us.
Let's see.
He said he's got receipts. He said he got receipts. Let's see the receipts.
Because we love receipts, man.
Oh, he's going in his bank account.
Yes.
He going in his bank.
I ain't showing the bank account.
He's
I ain't like that yet. Not yet. I'm just showing the Zelle.
Oh, he's gonna show the Zelle. All
I'm
right.
showing the Zelle.
So let's see the Zelle.
Let's
All right,
see.
try to cover.
Yeah, hold on.
All right, just to protect my man's here because this is going on YouTube.
Okay.
All right, let's cover as much as possible. So you see that $400. So he got $400.
For one, he said that yesterday. Dude said that yesterday. He's a great renter. He's been with me since.
All right, let me ask you this, and keep it 100. Don't lie to me, bro.
Yeah.
Don't lie to me. How long does these cars stay out?
I'll just give my numbers. I've had about a total of maybe 6. Oh yeah. I've had about a total of like 6 different renters across the 3-4 cars I've had over the last 6 months.
Okay.
Those 6 renters collectively have made me probably 10, 11,000. The longest renter I've had has been in it every week or every month since June. So he's been renting about 4 months, and he actually again renewed the 16 Fusion. It's the same one I was talking about earlier for 5,200. He's probably paid $5,000 already.
Damn.
He's been in it since June, and the lady after, she's been in it since July, so she's been 3 months. She's paid a crazy amount. And, let me tell you something. This is only for y'all. I'll tell everybody this.
Okay. Tell us.
I've made $1,000 off of this lady.
Oh my.
On top of the regular. Because I don't know what it is. She's the only one I'll let do this though. Because she's had most renters, if we get the late payment, you like, nah, I'm kicking you out. You done had too many. She will pay. She will pay. And just on top of, okay, I'm gonna let you pay half the day, then you get charged for late fee. You gotta pay the other half. $1,000 collected, an extra 1,000 on top of the $375 she's already paid every week, and she's been doing that since July. So 3 months. Let's do that math. Actually, I haven't done this myself. I'm sorry. I gotta track my expenses better.
Nah, we're doing this live, right? We're doing this right here. Right here.
Yeah, 375. Let's see, 12 weeks. So that's 4,500. Plus the $1,000 in late fees, 500. So I paid for that.
So you're telling me you bought this car for 4,800. You've made double and some change. Plus you've made $1,000 in late fees. Is that right?
It is big. Yeah. And this is like, I still own the car. That's the best part. I still own the car. And people will continue to rent it out. So it's a beautiful thing, y'all. I mean, like, again, our coach, he's always saying, like, this is better than real estate. And y'all, when I was a little, a couple of years earlier, I was starstruck by real estate. I was like, I need my rental. I need a flip. I need a wholesale, do all that. But once I heard about this strategy, I was like, wait a second. You're investing less and making more cash flow. I eventually do want to get real estate, but this is going to be the method to get me there. That's my plan. But yeah, it's insane, y'all. It's insane.
Man, I'm so glad you said that because I tell my audience, like, this is better than real estate. It's not even close. It's not even close. It's not even.
People will invest. People will put down $50,000, $30,000, whatever the amount is, or a rental property that costs $200,000, whatever they get it at. You know, some people get it at the 3.5. Some people are able to put 5%, 10% down. Other people have 20. And so, let's just say 20,000. Let's say 200,000, because that's most houses cost $350 nowadays. But let's just say 200,000. Let's say you find a deal, maybe a two-bedroom, 2-bathroom property here in Atlanta. Two-bedroom, 2-bathroom here in Atlanta for 200,000, right? And you like, cool. All right, I want to rent it out. You might be happy if you get $500 in cash or $400 in cash. You like, all right, it'll pay itself off in about 10 years. Like, we'll pay the mortgage in about 30 years. Versus now, we are getting ROI in 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. If you're doing it the right way, it should really be no more. Our coach, 3 months. He tells us 3 months. But if you're trying to do your own thing, it should be no more than 5. It's an insane game. It's an insane, like, nothing else to say, bro. Nothing else to say.
Mind blowing. Hey, y'all saw it here live, right? So it's not just me talking shit on my YouTube channel, all right? So y'all saw my man Kevin right here. You saw the receipts. He even brought the car. He brought the whip.
This one's gonna go out next week, bro.
And he's doing this in Atlanta. So you can do this anywhere in America. All right. Appreciate y'all watching this video. Alex Auto, we're out.